Okay, welcome to my channel. We are going to tackle this challenge today in writing a function, a Fibonacci sequence that prints a list of numbers. So that starts with 0, and then it starts with 0 and 1, and then when you add it up, it gives you the next number. So it gives you, so it asks for the last two numbers of the list, and then adds up to add another number, so it becomes 2. So you add 1 and 2, then you have 3, you add 3 and 2, and then you got 5. So it just keeps going on. So this is the function that we are trying to build right now. So first, how we're going to tackle this is we are going to define the print Fibonacci function, and then we're going to have a parameter here which is called length. That is what we want. We are going to put a colon here, very important, so that we don't get any errors. Okay, so for length, this will determine how much or how many numbers will be showing up in our sequence. Then we are going to create our conditional statement where if length is less than or equal to 0, it will give us an empty list. Okay, because if there's no length or nothing inside, right, we don't want any number to show up. But if, right, else if there's a number, right, or an index 1 perhaps inside the lists, we want length to be equals, if there's index 1 or 1 number, it should give us a return of 0. So that's our first number inside of our list. So that's what we want to have. Then we're gonna call it again if there is more than 1 inside of our list. Equals to, we wanted to start at 0 and 1. That's going to be our first two numbers in our sequence. So fib list is our list, right? We are trying to start our function with this list, basically. Then the next condition is while the length of our list, fib underscore list, is less than length. So if our list, the numbers here, is less than our length, we want the computer to loop. Okay, and the loop that we want is for it to append or add a number in our list, which in the equation will be the last number plus the second to the last number, -2, and then we want it to print the list. We want the computer to show the current updated function, basically. Okay, and then we are going to test it out using the PyTest. Okay, and we got it. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.